don't sneeze while watching this video, I'm going to play video clips that might also sneeze you. But you can easily beat me in this challenge, because sneezing is not contagious like yawning. But first, let me tell you the rules. Leaving the video, skipping the video, or even speeding up this video is equals to you automatically fail in today's challenge. So, are you ready? Challenge starts in 3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Shut up!
Like the video if you didn't sneeze. So I will know how many people who are legends into this game. Yes.